We'll start by opening up your image inside Photoshop. So I'm going to go up to File, Open, choose the image that you would like. Once you add it to your Photoshop, on the left-hand side, I'm going to choose the Selector tool, and it's going to be that very first arrow. There you go. And then on the right-hand side, there's a little lock button. I'm going to double-click on that and allow that to be unlocked so I can have my new layers. Next thing is that a lot of times these buttons will have a bar at the bottom that says remove background. Mine does not at this time. So on the right hand side, I'm going to use the magnifying glass and search for remove background. And once I do that, it does it for me, which I love. And now you can see that there's a little mask or a shadow outline on the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to click on that button that is the outline of my character, click on there and drag that over to the trash can and press apply, and now I will no longer have that mask of the person. Once I have myself completely with a transparent background, the next thing I'm going to do is click on the outline of my character by using the lasso feature. I can scroll down and hover over each one of these icons to show you what it is. I'm looking for that lasso feature. There it is. I'm going to silhouette just my head, and I'm going to press my Command or Control C, your Command C on whatever tool. Now you can see I've made a duplicate. Copy, paste it. On the bottom right hand corner, you see that I have another layer. I'm going to use the eyeball and click on that until just remove it, just so I can only focus on the one feature first. I'm going to find the eraser tool. Again, you hover over it until you can see what it is that you're looking for. I'm using the eraser tool. For me, I have my hair is a little crazy all over the place, so I'm going to make my brush a little bit bigger, and this time I'm going to remove all of the features and I'm going to just focus on my head. That way I can silhouette it and put it on top of my body part. That will allow me to just focus on enlarging the features of my head, which is going to be the caricature of enlarging the eyeballs, the nose, the mouth, all of the fun features to really make it just really animated. So as you can see, I'm going to go through there. This is just a quick tutorial, so I'm not going really detailed, but as you can see, today it is good for what I want. Next, I'm going to give myself the quick selection tool, so that way I'm done using eraser. Pull open the eyeball on the right hand side and allow me to move the face on top of my original layer. I'm going to go ahead and use the Command or the Control T. That's Control T or Command T. And that's going to allow you to click and move your character's face to be larger by pulling on the corners and moving it to however you would like it. As you can see, it looks a little silly now, but that's the look that we're looking for. You're going to go up to Filter and find the Liquify. Once a new bar will pop up for you. You can hover over the features that you would like to enlarge and play around with. At the very bottom, you can zoom in, and that way you can see a little bit more of the features. I'm going to keep going so you can see it. All right. And there we go, Mrs. Denny. Okay, now I'm going to hover over each one of these items, and I'm just going to have a little fun with it, making the eyes larger, the teeth larger, maybe a thinner face. This is a lot of fun, and you can really have a great deal of details that we'll be adding to this. As we are moving along here, you can make yourself skinnier, your teeth wider, your face thinner and smaller, eyeballs larger, teeth smile. Now I can do that manually by hovering over the facial features, or on the right hand side you have the properties bar and you can manually make those adjustments. So either one is going to give you the look that you're looking for. Once you are happy with it, you're going to go ahead and press the OK, and that's going to lock it into place. Next, you can see the preview, and it's done. I'm going to go over to the right hand side. I have two layers right now. I'm going to use the Shift button and highlight both of the layers. Then I went ahead and right clicked and pressed merge, and as you can see, it merged it and made one solid layer. Now we are one person. So again, now I'm going up to that filter and I'm choosing the oil paint. This is where you want to make sure that you have the preview button clicked. Now, as I'm going through here, this is where you get to play around with the different types of settings, and they'll give you the look that you're looking for. And once you're happy with it, press OK, and your character is now complete. Again, that was that filter. I scrolled down and you can see different types of filters that you might want to choose. I used the oil paint to give it the look that I want. As I'm finished with it, you can always add a background. For me, I'm just going to kind of create that PNG with a transparent background, and I went up to File, Save As, or File, Export, and save it wherever you'd like it, name it however you'd like, and you are complete. Good job, everybody. Looks wonderful.